Hi everyone, welcome to week 7. This class is just flying by. I feel like week 1 was just yesterday, so thank you for making this a fun and enjoyable class that's just flying by. Hopefully you're enjoying it as well. With that said, if you have any questions about anything we've covered so far in the last 7 weeks, anything in the lecture materials, perhaps something in the discussion board sparked a question, or maybe my supplemental materials sparked a question, feel free to reach out to me. I love having intellectual conversations, and I'm willing to talk about anything that you would find useful. So just keep that in mind as we head towards the end of the class. Okay, so week 7, we're going to continue our discussions about public and private security. The lecture materials this week focus a bit more on transportation and security issues that can result from transportation concerns. So I think you'll find them interesting. Our discussion board is going to also be on that topic. Specifically, it just talks about how maybe a terrorist could target our different transportation systems, and we're going to be looking at real world examples of when that's happened. So it should be an interesting conversation. For assignments this week, you have the final part of the portfolio project due. So basically, you're taking the rough draft of your PowerPoint, double checking it, making sure everything is there, taking some of my comments that I gave you last week into consideration and uploading it on ePortfolio. We also have a reflection that's due, which is same as usual, making some connections between the materials and the real world. And then finally, we have our final exam, which is not until week 7.5, but just like we did with the midterm, I'm giving you the essay, and there's some short answer questions in advance. So this would be a good time to start drafting your short answer and essay questions so that it takes some of the pressure off in week 7.5, which is just 4 days. So if you could do some of that in advance, I think that would be useful to you. And then the actual final exam with the multiple choice true or false questions will be in week 7.5. Okay, I hope this all makes sense. If you have any missing assignments, please submit. Submitting late is better than not submitting at all, because zeros really hurt your average. So if you have any questions about anything, please reach out, and I look forward to our conversations on this week's discussion board. Thanks.